Hi, welcome to Vedamails. So this is a demo video of Vedamails and I'm going to show you how to use Vedamails. So first of all, you should know that Vedamails is different from other email marketing platform. How? Yes. So you can add your own SMTP servers in your Vedamails platform. Okay, but in other tools, you have to use their SMTP server. Okay, so what is SMTP server and how it make a difference? So when you send an email, so you are using an SMTP server to send a particular email. So when you use one SMTP server, so after a few time might your emails will start going to the promotional box where user can't see, or will start going to the spam box where user definitely can't see. So that's where you need Vidamils. In Vidamils, you can add multiple SMTP servers and you can use all those SMTP servers at one time. So you don't have to worry about the domain reputation issues or maybe your IP issues. As you know, the big companies are using multiple IPs to send emails, so user can receive email in their inbox. So here you can see that in the sending servers you can add multiple SMTP servers. Okay, so I added multiple SMTP servers, which some are from the Gmail SMTP server, some one is the Amazon SMTP server, and one is my own. Okay, so you have to make sure that the list you have should be opt in. If you are going to send email to non opt in users, so your emails might going to start in spam box or maybe your domain get blacklisted. Okay, so you have to take care about that opt in first of all. That's all about the email marketing. If you are not going to take users acceptance or consent that you they are willing to accept email from your domain, so your emails might go to start into the spam. So first of all, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you want to uh, click here, tracking domain. You want to add a tracking domain. You can use this one as well, like you just have to, like for example, I'm copying this. Okay, I'm gonna delete this tracking domain. Okay, I already uploaded a file. So we have two options. First is host redirect verification and second is DNS CNAME verification. So you have to choose this first option. You can upload a file on your subdomain or your on main domain. So I have already this tracking domain. You can use this tracking domain. So this will track your campaigns reporting. And after adding this domain or your subdomain, you want to click on save. Okay, then you want to click on this view icon, and here you can see that you can download a particular tracking file from here, and after that upload that file to your subdomain or your main domain. I do recommend create a subdomain if you have only one domain. This is my separate domain I am using for tracking only. You can also use this domain if you want, but without tracking domain you are not able to go further. So you have to make sure to add the tracking domain first. Okay, you can use this domain, and after that you can click on the test tracking domain. I already uploaded this, so I am just gonna click on this, and it will say tracking domain is successfully verified. Okay, so now after that you have to go to the sending server, click on this new server, then click on this SMTP and add your SMTP details here. Your host name, your SMTP username, password, port, and encryption method as well. Let me quickly show you one example. So this is my Gmail SMTP which is activated. So I already added like hostname smtp.gmail.com. My username is which is my email address password, my SMTP port 465. Okay, you have to make sure there are only two ports you want to use, 465 and 587, to reach in inbox. Okay, and here encryption method for 465 is SSL, for 587 is TLS. Then you want to save this, and you want to also add these details, then you can save this and you can simply test your connection. So the sending server is valid. You can also send a test email if you want, then it will show you your server is active now. Okay, so you have to make sure that Gmail has some limitations. You can max send 500 emails per day, which I don't recommend. I only recommend send 50 to 100 emails per day from one Gmail account, or from Zoho email as well if you have Zoho. So I but if you want to send like 50,000 emails per day, you can use Amazon SES, and you can also use SMTP to go services, and there are many SMTP services, or you can also use your own SMTP server if you don't have any limitations. Okay, or if you have like less subscribers, but if you have subscribers more than 50,000 or something, you can use Amazon SES. Okay, after that you want to go to the sending identity. Okay, you have to verify your email. Just click on this new sender, add your email address, and you will get a link on your email, and verify that particular email. I also do recommend verify your domain as well. So you can just create here sending identity in sending domains. Just simply add new sending domain and verify your domain as well. Okay, so you just simply click on this new sending domain, add your domain, and after that it will tell you some uh, uh, details to add in your DNS server. Then simply add this host name in the txt record and this value. Same for this one and this one. This is basically a DKIM record. DKIM means a particular identity for this domain from sending your this platform. Okay, now next, after doing these all these activities, you want to click on this list. Okay, you can, I already have some lists you can see here, but if you want to create a new list, let's create a new test list. Here the list name is test. Okay, from email, let's use my sample email, this one. From email, let's use Vedamails. Okay, the company and organization, you have to make sure all these details should be correct. Otherwise, user will not able to see the correct information and they may be misled. And here you want to add your mobile number. Here I will add my email address, the same as from email. Here is zip code 32012, and here I am from Rajasthan, so I'll add my state. Here I'll add the Jaipur. Here I'll add the my address. Just I don't want to add the entire address, so I'll just add this location. Then I want to choose my country. Then simply choose these all options, and here you can choose your own sending server. So I'm gonna use all sending servers. So I'm just gonna click on save. Okay, so now test list is created, and when you click here you can see all the option here, or maybe you can just simply open this. So options are more open, and here you can see all the details here. So you in settings you already completed this. Now if you want to add subscribers, you can click on view all, that you don't have any subscriber, then you can simply add one subscriber by clicking on add, or import or export from here. So now here we have a segmentation. So segmentation is basically you can segment your audience according to the particular data, interest, behavior. Okay, so it will show the data after you will send some emails. Okay, here we have a forms and pages. So if you want to sign up, if you want to embed form, you can just get the embedded form link from here. You can just embed to your website, or you can get the sign up form thank you page and sign up confirmation. Like if you want, you only want sign up form, so you can just get this URL and send it to your audience, and they will sign up on your email list. Okay, after that you can see all the details are here. And make sure, if you want to add more uh, data to your list, like city, like country, like phone number or maybe another data. So you can simply add this, drag and drop to here, or you just click here and you just add the details here. Like if you want, if I would like to add city, then I'll add this city. Okay, now just simply click on this save changes, and you will able to see this detail while importing your data. Okay, email verification. So you can start, you can you will, when you will buy the plan, so you can simply start verification process here. I don't have any data here, so I can't verify at this moment, but when you will buy the plan, so you will able to see a verification server here. Then choose your server and click on start verification process, and it will automatically verify all your data. You don't have to worry about that this email is not working or this email is valid or invalid. This will automatically verify all your data and show you like this, like deliverables, undeliverables, risky, unverified, unknown, at all. Okay, so after creating your list, you want to create your campaign now. Okay, so like this is one campaign I'm already running as a test campaign. If you want to create your campaign, just click on this create campaign, and here I would like to create a test campaign. Okay, I'm gonna choose this list. This is my dummy list, and then I'm going to click on save and next. Then this is a test campaign, so I'm just gonna click on this test. Subject line should be like a test. Okay, from email reply to this email address only. So whenever someone will reply, so I'll get the reply on this email only. Track, I want to track this. Without this you won't be able to create uh your campaign, because you want to track open rates. And if you are going to create simple text email, so you don't have to worry about these trackings. You can't, you don't have to track everything. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. So when you are sending text email, so it will go as a simple text email, and you can't add any kind of tracking script into that particular email. But if you are creating an email marketing campaign, you have to add the tracking script. So these are the options you have to select. Okay, after that you can click on this template, simply create from an existing template. Okay, I'm gonna choose blank for now because I already have a designed. So I'm gonna choose email builder pro, and here I'm just gonna choose the image only because I already have a particular image which is I already designed earlier. Okay, so I'm just gonna upload that image. Also, you have to make sure that your image size should be less than 500 KB. Why I'm telling this? Because when you are going to send an email to user, okay, so like it might take some time if your image size 3 MB, 4 MB, 5 MB. But like I do recommend your image size should be less than 500 KB. If it is less than 300 KB, or maybe less without compromising on quality, so that will be more perfect for your email, because most of users doesn't have fast internet, so the image loading time might take, or maybe they have some network issues at that particular time when they are seeing your email. So I do recommend upload image size below 300 KB. Okay, so now I'm gonna just save and close this. Okay, so I'm just not going to attach any file. Okay, here you can see the preview. Let me show you the preview by the URL. If you want, you can add a pre-header. Basically, when you open your email, you can see the pre-header at the right after the subject line. Okay, then I'm clicking on next. I want to send immediately, yes, save and next. Here I can preview it. Let me quickly show you how preview works. So I clicked on that particular link, and here you can see the image. Okay, so this is the test email only, but you have, when you are when you are creating your email newsletter, it should like this probably, or you can add all more information if you want. And do not forget to add your link on your image or on your CTA. If you have a separate CTA, you can add the link on the separate CTA, or if you have one image, just add the link on the one image. I have this one image, and like if I want to add the link on this image, let's get back to the designer. And here you can see that I'm gonna click on this email builder pro, and here I want to add a link on this image. So let's quickly add the link, test link. So you can I'm not going to add link here, but you can add the image link here. uh if I want to add let me see. Okay, I'm not going to add the link here. You can simply add the link here, uh or maybe let's add google.com. Okay, for just to show you. Save and close, and next I'll just get back to the confirm and preview as, then open. Then when you click here, you can see that when you click here, okay, I added the wrong link. I have to add the entire link. Let's get back to the template again. Let me quickly add the proper link. Okay, let's add the proper link. Now let's go back to the conform, open it, and let me show you. So when you click on this image, it should open the URL. Okay, it's working now. So that's how you can add the link. And after clicking on done, you can send this email. You can also send a test email if you want to see how it looks like, or if you want to see how much time it's taking to load. And after adding all of these details and checking all the details, you can simply click on done. And here you can see when you refresh, it will start sending emails. 14 cent, 27 cent. Okay, so that's how it works. Super easy, super simple, and you don't have to worry about anything. And after that, like all emails are mine. So like I'm not opening any emails, but after that you will able to see this data. Let me quickly show you this data statistics of this. So you can see that 47 unique opens, 32 people not open, 31 unique clicks and all. You can see more data here. Okay, and that's how you can see all the information from here. So the link is here, and that's how it works. Okay, so you can that's how you can start it. And here in automation, you can create automated emails. Let me quickly show you what are the options available. So these are the options available, or you can create your own. It's totally up to you. Okay, so thank you so much. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact me. I will be available, and I'll connect with you to solve your problem. Or maybe if you want to understand how this works, and how you can create your first campaign, I will be available. Okay, do let me know. Thank you so much. Bye.